No.
The Captain Colin Hines.
Can relate.
Oh, welcome back, people. So you know, I had to take off my shoes for this one. Start stretching the limbs. They start me warming up my wrists already because under the skillful hands of the captain, DJ Colin Hines, prepare to be immersed in a selection of the finest throwback reggae dancehall mixes.
All right, now the talented Latanya Styles, she's gonna grace the stage, but she's here teaching us how to do these dance moves. After I used to tell her to take off her shoes, it's over.
Go the knees.
Stretch for this now because. You know what I mean?
Start warm knees already.
Latanya, ready?
So where we start from? So let's start with the foot movements.
All right.
Colin?
Anything with the knees is not me. We're not going down too far. We don't got the Megan the Stallion. No?
So where's the reggae? Alright, Colin, drop the chord. Alright, so we're going to gully creeper right away. Alright, so gully creeper, we're going to be low. We're going to be like a creature, like a monster. Alright. Yeah? We're going to step across. Step across.
Weird.
And then we're going to jump gully creeper. Alright, so no linger.
Alright.
Yeah, that one is easy. So the no linger, legs going across, sweeping it across. You kind of waving the body a little. Yes.
What is the difference between a linger and creep? Because they both feel the same to me.
So no linger is a push to the side,
Push.
sweep is push to the back.
Back. Oh, Jaja.
Huh? Push to the
Side
back
for
the
linger
back.
and sweep girls.
Yes.
All right.
Linger is more of a side. Right.
All right. Oh, okay. The linger, then sweep.
Yes.
We do the linger,
wave it.
then
This is
sweep.
side.
Yeah. Linger,
And
sweep. All right. Wave and back.
Yes.
Wave
All right.
and back. All right.
Yeah. Bend the arms. All right. So we're gonna shuffle to the side. Stop. Next side. Next side. That way then. Next side. All right. Back to the no linger. No linger.
Oh, linger with it still. All right.
Now we're gonna sweep. Sweep back.
Sweep.
Sharp movement.
Sweep.
Yes.
Sweep.
Back to the linger.
I mean, like a dancer finally.
Alright, so this one is called stop. So you're gonna freestyle.
What?
You freestyle, then he says stop. So you have to pause. Alright, so he says wine come up. You have to listen to the words.
Alright.
Alright, so this one is the bogle. Yeah, self-titled.
A bogle is our world
This
dance.
one. Oh, this is world dance. Sorry.
World dance.
Can't hear the music. Turn it up this side. So we're shuffling.
I feel it.
Let's go lower. Keep the music. Let's do shoulders.
Dance around the street again. Everybody just go and go.
Wheel. Is it your one title?
Alright, so this one we're lifting the leg. Opposite arm with leg.
Everybody know.
Wheel.
Up.
Wheel.
Up.
Wheel.
Ching ching.
Up.
We can even touch the foot. Interacting. Interacting. Alright.
Dancers.
Alright. So now we know going with the shoulders.
Shoulders. Alright.
So let's go together.
Alright, me dip on the wrong side.
Right arm, left arm.
Lord God, which side am I right? Okay.
Apart from me, neighbor.
I can't. So it's all about the shoulders swaying from side to side. This is the ravers one. Alright, so we're gonna step.
Alright, Talia, come on now.
Let's do it smooth. Let's go low with it. On the toes now. Smooth. Very nice. Alright, so online, we're gonna lift the leg. Lift it. Step back. Lift front. Step back.
Lift. Back. Can do the turn still? Alright.
Right, there's a move called Shizumanizu. You know that though?
No.
That's the Shizumanizu. Back to the online. Step forward. Kick back. My share comes to say, yeah, man, I can jiggle my knee. I will go.
So we're gonna do the Della move. So we go in. Point your hands. Point.
Lord God, we're only good for one side.
Alright, let's do 2.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Alright, 1 count. 1, 1, 1. Put the legs in. Pull it in.
Talia, my time, Talia, my time.
Alright, we reached 23 already.
My time.
So we're gonna go. Throw it away now. Throw it away. One more time.
To that side,
Walk. Head. Step forward.
Hey.
Open the legs. This is skanking, you know. Then we'll go heel.
Come out.
You want to try to smooth with it? Going around? Yeah, Jesus. Smooth with it. Come on, you can do it.
I'm just saying. We're gonna skip to Malou.
So we're gonna go. Let's start with the skipping. Yeah.
Okay, skip to Malou. We tried our best. I tried my best.
You're doing good.
How much fun will I?
Yeah.
Let's step forward. So we go. Step.
Anywho, we want to thank Latanya Styles for teaching us some moves. And we hope you guys are going to try a few of these moves with us while I go and practice. So soon come back. Don't go away.
The Captain Colin Hines.